Okay, guys, we are going to talk about week 26. So we did week 25 in Book Shark. So we learned about antonyms. Okay, it's been a few days. Who remembers what an antonym is? If I said that you were near to me, what is an antonym for near?
Far.
Far. Perfect. So an antonym is just kind of opposite. Okay, we read Riding the Pony Express. Who remembers about riding the Pony Express?
Me.
Great. Can you tell me something about that?
Oh, me. Oh, the Pony Express delivers mail fast.
Got mail fast, the first mail, and it was about a little boy looking for his daddy. I'm going to go fast, guys. We talked about spelling. You learned about were words.
Yep.
Do you remember how were words? So if you say were as in world, how do you spell that?
W-O-R-D.
Good. And then if we said something like war as in warm, how would that?
W-A-R-M.
Good. Okay. Now we're moving on to science. You have it in your hands. Do you want to show me? So who remembers the book that we read?
The Magic School.
Magic School Bus. Actually, here's the title. Inside the Earth. So it was kind of fun, right? You got to learn about stuff. And you guys see the Earth every day when you go outside and dig in it. So we learned about, you guys learned your science experiments. Oh, show me, what's the outer level of the Earth called?
It's called the Quest.
Great. Who can remember what, if a mineral deposit is hanging down from a cave, what is it called?
You from the ceiling?
Mm-hmm.
It's
still on the board behind me. Stalactite. And then if it's coming up from the ground, it's a stalagmite. Perfect. Oh, that is back there. And then what causes things to change? What causes rocks to change? That's behind me too on the board.
Heat, time, pressure.
Heat, time, and pressure. Great. History, we learned about Australia. Who remembers something about Australia? Is it the biggest
Yes.
island? Did they call it an island?
I think.
Oh, I'm confused now. Okay. We learned more about Australia, and then we learned about history. We talked about a few things. We are reading Strawberry Girl, but it's very hard to get through, right?
Yep.
It's a little bit hard with the language to get through. Math, we are still doing math review because we are waiting on the new Math Mammoth because the first one was finished. So did geography sound? For math, we're still working on adding and subtracting, and we've been adding multiplication. What's 2 times 2? Does anybody remember? 2 times 2 is 4. So 2 times 0 would be 0. But that's just kind of fun stuff while we're waiting.
9 times 9 is 81.
9 times 9.
10 times 10 is 100.
You got it. All right, guys.
3 times 3 is 9.
3 times 3 is 9. 4 times 3 is 12. Nice. Do you guys want to say Happy St. Patrick's Day?
Happy St. Patrick's Day.